All right, got a little coffee brewing. The rooster's going off. Probably just heard him. Go. Paradise. There it is, on this building, at the right. Just chilling right now, finishing our coffee. Showed you the wind report. I don't think there's any rush to get in the water. So just gonna study the waves a bit, try to figure out where I want to sit, what type of waves I want to look for. And look at this, a couple lines coming in. It's gonna be a nice left here. Kind of closed out. Beautiful sunrise. The water is warmer than the air right now. Pretty funny. Yee-hoo. Wow. post session. Epic waves this morning. Hanging out for a sec, watching this lone charger, local guy. See if he can get a good one. This looks like a great left. Perfect positioning. Oh yeah, pull in. Woo! What a sick one. Behind it. Yee-hoo! Right? Look at this heater. So it's 10 a.m. I'm gonna get some food. We're gonna go to an epic spot up on the cliff. It's time to take a break and enjoy being in this beautiful place. Super quick board check. Rode this Pride, the Realist, this morning. This is 40.5 inches. Yeah, this thing did great the last 2 days. A lot of good waves on this board this trip. Super fast, crescent tail, epic. So this is the spot. This is the living room / kitchen. Pretty much all I need. Coffee maker and a stove, and then the bedroom. Board stashed. TV been pretty nice. And that's it.